How to prevent fever at home. A fever occurs when your body temperature is higher than normal. Though body temperatures can vary from person to person, normal body temperature is usually around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. In adults, a fever is recognized when body temperature is above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Thankfully, there are several home remedies that can work to lower your fever and soothe your discomfort. Drink plenty of fluids. Drinking plenty of fluids is important when you have a fever, as it can help to prevent dehydration and keep your body cool. If you're also experiencing a sore throat as a result of an underlying infection, drinking cool fluids can also help to soothe your sore throat. Suck on ice. Sucking on ice cubes or ice pops can also help to soothe a sore throat and prevent dehydration. However, it's important to keep in mind that sucking on ice or drinking ice-cold water can temporarily lower oral temperature readings. With that in mind, it's important to wait between 15 minutes and 30 minutes depending on your age after sucking on ice or drinking ice water before measuring your oral temperature to ensure an accurate reading. Get some rest. Fighting an infection can make you feel tired and achy. Giving yourself as much rest as needed can help your body to fight the underlying infection. However, there's no need to force rest or sleep once you start to feel better. Take over-the-counter medication. Over-the-counter OTC medications, including ibuprofen such as Advil and Motrin, naproxen such as Aleve, acetaminophen or your Tylenol and aspirin are the fastest way to significantly lower a fever. These medications may also help to relieve body aches, sore throat, and other symptoms you may experience as a result of an underlying infection. Keep in mind that it may take between 30 and 45 minutes for the medication to start working, and it's important not to exceed the recommended dosage in a 24-hour period. These medications are also not recommended for children under the age of 6. Additionally, though OTC medications can help to lower your fever, it may not bring your fever down to your normal temperature, and the effect may only be temporary. Apply a cool compress. Applying a cool compress to your forehead and wrists can help to soothe and bring down a fever. Take a lukewarm bath. Taking a lukewarm, not cool or cold bath can also help to reduce a fever and relax the muscles in your body. Use a humidifier. Though using a humidifier will not lower your body temperature, it will increase moisture in the air, which can soothe other cold and flu symptoms, such as runny nose, nasal congestion, and dry cough. Drink bone broth. Drinking clear broths and soups can help to keep your body hydrated. If your appetite has decreased as a result of the infection, drinking broths and soups can also help to deliver important nutrients that will help to keep your body strong as you fight an infection. Eat small meals. Many people have heard the adage, feed a cold, starve a fever, but in reality it's important to eat when you're hungry, even if you have a fever. Eating smaller, lighter meals can also help to avoid overwhelming the digestive system, which can become temporarily weaker as a result of certain infections. Wear lightweight clothing. Wearing lightweight clothing and using lightweight blankets while sleeping or resting can help to keep your body temperature down. This is especially important if you're also experiencing chills, which can make some people want to wear heavier clothes or blankets. Unfortunately, this can keep your fever from coming down or make it go higher. Try herbal remedies. Some herbal remedies, such as moringa and kudzu root, have been found to reduce fever in animals, rabbits, and rats, respectively. However, more research is needed to determine the effectiveness of these herbal remedies at reducing fever in humans. Before trying any herbal remedies to treat your fever, it's important to speak with your healthcare provider first, as there may be some risks and contraindications. When to see a healthcare professional. Most fevers can be treated at home, but if you're experiencing a fever of 103 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, reach out to your healthcare provider or seek emergency care. Additional symptoms that warrant more immediate medical attention are A fever that does not improve after 3 days of rest and home care, severe headache, severe throat swelling, unusual skin rash, sensitivity to bright light, stiff neck or pain when you bend your head forward. Mental confusion, persistent vomiting, difficulty breathing, chest pain, abdominal pain, pain when urinating, extreme fatigue, extreme irritability, muscle weakness, sensory changes, and seizure.